What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today's video is about sunglasses collection. So this is how I store my sunglasses and this is where I've stored all my sunglasses. Now I'm a huge fan of sunglasses because I feel sunglasses is an accessory which is both functional and it adds up to your beauty and entire look, beautifying your entire look, and I feel they just put together the entire look and it gives a very stylish direction to the entire look. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Let's begin. So I have two aviators with me here. So the first one is this one by Ray-Ban. It's their classic aviators. It's blue in color, it's aqua blue, and it has a tint of green as well on the glasses. The frames are the normal golden frames. So this is how it looks. From the sides you can see, the golden frames, like if you click a picture from here and all, the golden frames are very delicate and they're quite shiny. And then this is how the glasses are. So it's a classic Ray-Ban one, which is perfect for beaches or when you're wearing all black. This looks really nice. Then the second one is this one, which is a rose gold aviator. So the frames are rose gold and so are the glasses. This is one of my favorite sunglasses and this is how it looks on me. So now this sunglasses, I'll mention the brands and the prices in the description box below. So this is, as I mentioned, it's one of my favorite sunglasses. So this is the second aviators. Aviators were quite a fashion few years ago. Now I see the trend is more of these round sunglasses or the oversized sunglasses. So moving on and talking about round sunglasses, let's move on to round sunglasses. So the first one is this one here. It's a very simple sunglass which is black in the frames. The glasses are black and then these frames are golden in color. This is like just like how the Ray-Ban aviator was. So this is again just one of the classics, black, which will go with any outfit, and this is how it looks on me. I'll also put up a picture here of me wearing these sunglasses. So whatever pictures I have of me wearing the sunglasses, I'll put all of them here. Now the second one is this one. This is from the brand called Titan. So this is again a round sunglass. It's a brown tinted glass with the frames of animal print. Like, so if you can see closely, I'll show you all. There is animal print here and the frames have animal print. The detail is like a really fine detail of animal print. So so now with the sunglass, it's a little it's quite tinted. It's a brown tint. So if you don't like anything with a tint, then this might not be something that you like, because this is like a brown tint which it has to the sunglass. The second one is this here, which is a green sunglass, a sunglass which is green in color, and again the frames are golden and the glass is green. If you reflect it against light, it looks purple. Otherwise normally it's green. In pictures and all, it comes as green. So this is again quite a bold sunglass if you're wearing a very simple outfit and want the sunglass to do talking, then this is it. So the next one is this sunglass has a very retro feel. I had worn it in Hampi. I'll put up a picture here. So this is a sunglass which whenever I feel very retro, whenever I think of Parveen Bhabi or Zeenat Aman, this is the sunglass that comes to my mind. So this is again a rose gold sunglass with the frames also rose gold and the glasses also rose gold. I don't remember if this had a tint. Let me just see. Okay, no, this did not have any kind of tint, so it's a plain
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
That is this sunglass. So after the rose gold aviator, this sunglass is my favorite. It was for the first sunglass I think I bought, which was quite bold, and I had seen it on one of my friend had got it, and she had got it from Dubai or something, and then I was searching online for something Octagon. After 2 years, literally after 2 years, I found an Octagon sunglass. I got this like 3 to 4 years ago. Now I think you quite easily get Octagon sunglasses, but then I was not able to find, and I finally found an Octagon sunglass. This is like blue in color, Octagon in shape, and the frames are white. This is such a good sunglass for the beach. It has no tint whatsoever, and you can see everything so clearly. Like when you're on the beach, sometimes if there is tint you can't see water this clearly, but this sunglass, it's amazing. It's a very good sunglass and a very good buy that I got, and this is how it looks. I will put up a picture also of me wearing this sunglass. So yeah, Octagon shaped blue sunglasses. Now talking about bold pieces, after that another bold piece is this one here, and it's kind of cat-eye, kind of square, kind of round. I don't know what shape it is. It's mixed shape. The frames are rose gold. The glasses are golden in color, and the frames rose gold and a little hint of baby pink. So this is how the sunglass looks. So I had worn the sunglass when I was in Goa this time. So when I had gone to South Goa, I had put up few pictures of it on Instagram, and you must have seen the sunglasses on Instagram. Guys, in case you all are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I leave my handle here, and do follow me on Instagram as well for fun reel videos and photos. So coming back to this video, so this is a rose gold sunglass, and this was quite like an inexpensive piece when I bought it, but it's really worth it. However, this does not go with each and every outfit. There are certain outfits only with which it goes, or certain looks that it goes. You can't use it for your daily commute and all. I won't be comfortable. Like if you all are comfortable, that's okay. I feel it's more of a beachy piece. This one here. Then we have a last sunglass which I basically bought when I was in college. So I used to go to college on an Activa. So when you drive a bike, there's dust, like if you wear sunglasses, but then dust comes from here, there, and that I used to wear those aviators, brown aviators from Fast Track, but the problem was that dust used to come from the sides. That's why I bought this sunglass, so that it covers my entire eye and I don't have dust coming from anywhere. So this is why I had bought this sunglass. So this is the sunglass, which is square. Like it's completely square and really oversized, with like a little bit of animal print detail on the frames. And yeah, just a simple sunglass. And this is how it looks. It completely covers your face. So we used to wear stole and this sunglass. So nothing, no dust, nothing used to go into my eye because of the sunglass. So this is like a purely functionality based sunglass. And this is the last sunglass of the sunglasses collection. So I hope you all like this video, guys. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tata!